Corner lot at bigger space ba ang hanap mo for your family? Ito na ang para sa'yo, duplex house na corner lot pa. Hana House model has 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet, and provision for 2-car garage. Malapit sa Manila ba ang hanap mo? Well, 20 minutes away lang po ito from Naiya Airport via Calax Expressway. Hana House model is located at Barangay Santiago, General Trias, Cavite. Hana is perfect for a bigger family. Ang kagandahan dito, nakadivide na po ito in 3 bedrooms pag na-turn over po sa'yo. Meron po itong 3 bedrooms dito sa taas. Ito ang first bedroom, pwede nyong gawing study room. Here's the toilet and bath. Napaka-perfect ng second bedroom lalo kung may kids kayo. And this is the master's bedroom. Kabayan, we do free tripping po para sa mga gustong makita itong house model and actual location. Tara, tripping!